tummy tuck surgery or mommy makeover. Friends, I am Dr. Ankit Gupta. I am a plastic surgeon and I practice in Delhi, Pitanpura. And today I'll show you a case of tummy tuck and I'll explain you what exactly is tummy tuck, who needs a tummy tuck, and how the surgery is done and what are the results through a patient of mine whom we had operated about a month back. This beautiful lady, she is a mother of a child. Her family was complete. She otherwise is a fitness enthusiast. She exercises very regularly, maintains a proper diet. But in spite of all that, due to the pregnancy, due to the baby, there was extra skin, there was looseness in her lower tummy. She has gained her figure back in every other way, but she was not able to get back the figure she had before her baby just because there was a lot of extra skin in the lower tummy. So guys, this is tummy tuck for you. In tummy tuck, what we address is, there are three things that we address. Number one, we remove all the extra amount of fat, 360, that is all around your torso, from your back, from your sides and from your front. The second thing we address is, if there is any laxity in the muscles. Many times due to childbirth, the muscles, they separate from in between and there's a bulge in the upper tummy. There's a bulge in the tummy. Whenever you do a leg raise or whenever do you crunches, you feel that there is separation in your muscles. We are able to address that. And the third thing that we can address is the loose skin. All the loose skin, the stretch marks, the skin that was not able to retract back after the childbirth can be easily removed through a tummy tuck surgery. So I'll show you all these three things through my patient. This is how we were doing her markings. We mark the area where we would like to keep the cut. The cut through which we remove all the skin is usually around 6 to 7 centimeters from the cut is kept as low as possible so that the final incision, the final scar of the surgery is well hidden into your panty line. This cut is usually around 6 centimeters. This cut is extended all the way to the bones on the sides. Okay, this is the anterior superior iliac spine or the bones that you can feel on the side. The cut, we try to keep it just below that, up to that level laterally. Through this cut, we are able to take out all the skin that is extra. So once we have done all the liposuction, for instance in her, this is the area that I would want to do the liposuction from the top her tummy, from the middle of her tummy, from the flanks, from the back, all the way around 360 degree. I would like to remove all the fat so that in the end you get a very athletic, very nice figure. This would also reduce the waist to a certain extent. Once the liposuction is done, what we do is we then give a cut and then we expose the muscles in the midline. These muscles are then stitched together so as to close the gap that has been created in your muscle area. Once all that is done, all the extra skin is then removed, and this is the amount of skin that we were able to take off from her. And through this cut, we will be able to remove all the extra skin that she has. Usually we are able to remove the skin up to your belly button. Since we are removing all the skin almost up to your belly button, we have to transpose or make your belly button in a new position so that it does not displace, does not go down. So this is the whole surgery of tummy tuck. I'll show you how it happened in her. So this is her results, in which this original belly button is actually transposed up to the original position and it is much more aesthetically pleasing. It is now vertical. It is, instead of the horizontal belly button that you had before, this will now be a vertical belly button and it looks much more pleasing. And this is how she is at about 1 month. The precaution one needs to take after tummy tuck surgery is that you need to rest for about a week or 10 days. It will take you almost a week or 10 days to get back to your job. Exercise and all is not allowed for at least 1 month. After 1 month, you are allowed to do cardio and all. For initial 2-3 days, you have to walk with your chest a little bit bent, your hips bent in front so that there is no stretch to your stitch line and it does not spread. The bulging that you had before will go away. All the stretch marks and the extra skin will go away, and all the fat that was there also goes away. So this is in short about tummy tuck surgery. Now you can hear from her how she felt about the surgery and what was her experience. Thank you and have a nice day.
मेरा नाम ज्योति है। मैंने यहाँ से टमी टक की सर्जरी कराई है और मैं यहाँ से सर्जरी करा के बहुत खुश हूँ और यहाँ पे बजट में भी हुआ है और डॉक्टर भी बहुत अच्छे हैं। आपको ऐसा नहीं फील होगा कि ये डॉक्टर हैं, आपको लगेगा हाँ मेरे फ्रेंड है। आप प्रॉपरली जनरली जो भी आपकी बात होगी आप अच्छे से कह पाओगे और डॉक्टर भी आपकी बात को समझेंगे। और यहाँ पे पेन भी इतना नहीं हुआ और रात को जब मैं यहाँ रुकी थी तो यहाँ का स्टाफ अच्छा है, उन्होंने मेरी बहुत केयर की। आपको ऐसा नहीं है, अगर आप अकेले भी आओगे तो आप ये मत समझना कि आपके साथ कोई होना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर अकेले भी हो तब भी स्टाफ बहुत हेल्प करेगा, ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। बहुत ही अच्छा रिजल्ट है, यानी मैं सेटिस्फाइड हूँ, मैं उससे खुश हूँ। थैंक यू डॉक्टर अंकित गुप्ता एंड ऑल स्टाफ।